Looking into the questions of peripheral nervous system. Now, peripheral nervous system, as we all know, that it consists of two parts: skeletal muscle relaxants and local anesthetic. So we'll see 10 MCQs of that, and this file is having around 60. 1 second, 60, 70 MCQs are there on these topics, so you can practice all of them and get the I'll be uploading both the files also. So now starting with the first one, depolarizing neuromuscular blockers differ from competitive blockers in following attributes except. So here now we have to mark except. So first let's see what are the differentiating features. Now depolarizing neuromuscular blockers मतलब ये succinylcholine types हो गए. Competitive blockers मतलब tuberculin. They induce contraction of isolated frog rectus abdominis muscle. Ether anesthesia intensifies the block produced by them. Tetanic nerve stimulation during partial depolarizing block produces well sustained contraction. Neostigmine does not reverse the block produced by them. So this is definitely correct. It is the differentiating point that neostigmine does not reverse the blockade produced by depolarizing blockers. So now depolarizing blockers like succinylcholine, यहाँ पे कौन सा है ये, this is succinylcholine. This depolarizes the motor end plate and the block which is produced by them is not intensified by ether. Ether anesthesia, it does not intensify the block produced by succinylcholine. It intensifies the block produced by D-tuberculin by reducing the threshold for neuromuscular transmission. So this characteristic does not apply for the depolarizing blockers. Depolarizing blockers, they operate actually by persistent receptor activation and sodium ion channel inactivation, right? Select the skeletal muscle relaxant commonly used for endotracheal intubation despite causing histamine release, potassium efflux and cardiovascular changes. Now the best muscle relaxant widely used for endotracheal intubation is succinylcholine. क्यों? क्योंकि एक तो इसका होता है rapid onset, that is 1 to 1.5 minute. Short duration of action होता है 5 to 8 minutes. It causes histamine release, it causes potassium efflux, cardiovascular changes, which include bradycardia followed by tachycardia. Despite this, it is the preferred choice for its effectiveness and reliability. Neuromuscular blocking drugs do not produce central actions because neuromuscular blockers do not produce central action because they do not cross the blood-brain barrier. Very simple. They are actually quaternary ammonium compounds, right? And so they are highly polar and they are not capable of crossing the lipid membranes, right? Because so they do not cross the blood-brain barrier. Succinylcholine is the preferred muscle relaxant for tracheal intubation because succinylcholine is the preferred muscle relaxant for tracheal intubation because it produces rapid and complete paralysis of respiratory muscles with quick recovery. It is chosen for tracheal intubation because of its rapid onset and brief duration and gives excellent intubating conditions. Which of the following is applicable to mivacurium? Mivacurium is the competitive blocker. Undergoes Hoffman ये नहीं जाता है. Hoffman कौन सा जाता है? Atracurium. Hoffman elimination atracurium करता है. It is the shortest acting non-depolarizing blocker. It is excreted unchanged by the kidney. It does not cause histamine release. So mivacurium basically it causes histamine release. Then it is shortest acting because it is very rapidly hydrolyzed. So because it is very rapidly hydrolyzed by the plasma cholinesterase, so it is shortest acting and it is histamine release करता है ये. Dantrolene sodium reduces skeletal muscle tone. Now dantrolene sodium, it reduces the calcium release from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. ये क्या करता है? It acts directly and inhibits the ryanodine receptor. Ryanodine receptor या उसको बोलते हैं RYR1 receptor in the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which causes calcium release. So by inhibiting this ryanodine receptor, it reduces the calcium release and it is mainly used in condition which is malignant hyperthermia. ठीक है, hyperthermia, malignant hyperthermia which is precipitated by Which inhalational anesthetic? Halothane. Halothane causes malignant hypothermia, for which dantrolene sodium is the drug of choice. Select the muscle relaxant used to control spasticity associated with upper motor neuron paralysis. So spasticity associated with इसमें देखो, so we need to use a central muscle relaxant. Central vecuronium, succinylcholine, chlorzoxazone and baclofen. In सब में baclofen is a GABA B receptor agonist and it acts on the spinal cord at the central level, reduces the excitatory neurotransmitters and it decreases the spasticity. It is very commonly used for spastic conditions. The GABA B receptor is an intrinsic ion channel containing receptor, mediates neuronal depolarization, is insensitive to blockade by bicubulin, it regulates intracellular cyclic AMP. Now GABA B receptor is basically a G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled receptor होता है. GABA A होता है वो ion channel होता है, ठीक है, and it increases the potassium conductance and reduces the calcium efflux. Now GABA B receptors are not blocked by bicubulin. Bicubulin blocks the GABA A receptors. Neostigmine antagonizes non-depolarizing blockade by all of the following mechanisms except neostigmine works by inhibiting the acetylcholinesterase. It increases acetylcholine level, so it increases acetylcholine level and it facilitates receptor activation to overcome the non-depolarizing blockade. However, it does not prevent the potassium efflux from the cell. This is unrelated to the, so it decreases the breakdown, it increases the, ये सारे इसके actions होते हैं. Now the clinically used local anesthetic have the following common features except, first of all, they are amphiphilic weak bases. They are used for surgery in non-cooperative patients. Then their use, care of vital functions not needed. They are safer than general anesthetics in patients with respiratory and cardiovascular disease. Now clinically used local anesthetics have the common features except. तो यहाँ पे हमको ढूंढना है कि क्या है, तो जो नहीं है वो हो जाएगा इसका आंसर. तो local anesthetics are weak bases, right? They are used for surgery in non-cooperative patients, right? In their use, care of vital functions is not needed. Now they are safer than general. This is also right except. So care of vital functions is needed. Careful monitoring is needed. And the vital functions, especially when they are given in blocks or they are given in high doses. So that time, because they can cause systemic toxicity, they can cause CVS toxicity, they can cause CNS toxicity. So these were questions of this skeletal muscle relaxant. Now let's go to the local anesthetics. Local anesthetics having amide linkage differ from those having ester linkage in that the amide linked local anesthetic. Now amide linked local anesthetics are not surface anesthetics, have a short duration of action, are degraded in plasma, do not show cross sensitivity with ester linked local anesthetics. Now it is seen that amide linked LAs, they are metabolized differently in the liver and rarely cause hypersensitivity. So there is a difference. amide वाले जो है less hypersensitivity होती है, liver में metabolize होते हैं, while ester linked LAs have a different distinct metabolism, so they do not show cross sensitivity. So this is the correct answer. The following is not true of local anesthetics. So not true. Local anesthetic is required in the unionized form to penetrate. This is true. They penetrate only when they are unionized. The local anesthetic approaches receptor only from the intraneuronal phase. Yes, it approaches the receptor from the inside phase. The local anesthetic binds to the receptor mainly when the sodium ion is in the sodium channel is in the resting state. No, it basically acts preferably binds preferentially to the activated state of the sodium channel. And local anesthetic combines with the receptor in ionized cationic form. No, once it is transferred, then it again becomes the unionized form. So local anesthetic का ये वाला आंसर सही है. Local anesthetics block the nerve conduction by blocking the cation channels, hyperpolarizing, interfering with depolarization. So because it is binding with the activated and inactivated states and of the sodium channel, and facilitate stabilize the inactivated state. Thus it is basically interfering with the depolarization of the neuronal membrane. Properties of local anesthetics are all except blockade of voltage dependent sodium channel, preferential binding to resting channel, slowing of axonal impulse conduction, increase in the membrane refractory period. So local anesthetics block the voltage gated sodium channel. Preferential binding to resting, no, they bind to the activated state and not to the resting channel. Slowing of axonal muscle conduction and increase in the refractory. So the correct answer here is this. Sensitivity of a nerve fiber to blockade by lignocaine depends upon. So sensitivity of a nerve fiber to blockade by lignocaine depends upon whether the fiber is sensory or motor, whether the fiber is myelinated or non-myelinated, internodal distances in the fiber, or both B and C are correct. So here sensitivity depends upon myelinated, non-myelinated and internodal distances. सेंसिटिविटी टू लिग्नोकेन इट फर्स्ट डिपेंड्स, सबसे पहले आती है माइलिनेटेड है या नॉन माइलिनेटेड, देन इंटरनोडल डिस्टेंसेस उनके कितने हैं, इस तरीके से. और रेस्टिंग नर्व इज रिलेटिवली रेजिस्टेंट टू ब्लॉकेड बाय लिग्नोकेन कंपेयर टू वन विच इज रिपीटेडली स्टिमुलेटेड. रेस्टिंग नर्व इज रेजिस्टेंट टू ब्लॉकेड टू वन because lignocaine binds more avidly to the inactivated sodium channel. Which of the following is not the reason for greater susceptibility? Which of the following is not the reason for greater susceptibility of smaller fibers to blockade by local anesthetic than large motor fibers? Now sensory fibers are more sensitive than the motor fibers. The greater susceptibility is because of their short internodal distances and higher frequency action potential. So that is why they are more sensitive than the motor fibers. Injection of adrenaline with local anesthetic serves the following purpose. What does it serve? It prolongs the duration. Local anesthetic के साथ अगर adrenaline मिलाते हैं then it causes vasoconstriction and prolongs the duration of action in the area. Adrenaline is combined with lignocaine in a ratio of 1:2 lakhs. It provides an optimal balance. Adrenaline added to local anesthetic solution for infiltration anesthesia affords following except. क्या क्या कहते हैं? Prolongs the duration, yes. Makes the injection नहीं. Provides a more bloodless, reduces. So it does not in any way make the injection less painful. Which of the following statement is true for lignocaine? Lignocaine के लिए which of the following statement is true? It is an ester-linked anesthetic. It is not likely to exhibit cross sensitivity with procaine. It has a short duration of action than procaine. It is not a surface. Now lignocaine is basically an amide linked anesthetic and procaine is ester. So the दोनों के बीच में cross sensitivity होना मुश्किल है. So these were some questions on local anesthetics. You can do all rest of them. I'll be uploading both the files.